Hello, math friends! So, today we are going to talk about the greatest common factor. Now, for some of you, you might have heard it as known as the greatest common denominator or the greatest common divisor, but basically they are exactly the same thing. So, before we go and look at what the greatest common factor is, let's already understand what a factor is. And factors are numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. So, for example, if we take the number 6, then we know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And therefore, 2 and 3 are factors because we can multiply them together to get 6. Another example would be, for example, if we took 12, then 12 is equal to 3 times 4. But it's also equal to 2 times 6 or 1 times 12. And all of those are factors. All of these. All of those are factors. So, now that we know what factors are, let's look at what the greatest common factor is. Now, the greatest common factor is literally the greatest common factor between two numbers. It's a factor that is common to both, and it's the biggest one of those factors. So, to find the greatest common factor, we need to find the factors of both numbers. So, 10 here, has factors 2 times 5, so 2 and 5, or 1 and 10. So its factors are, so here I'll write it here, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. The factors of 25 are 5 times 5, and that's it. So 5 is the only factor of 25. So factor of 25 in this case is 5. Because it's the same number, we don't need to write 5 twice. So what is the biggest number that is common to both? In this case, it would be 5. So the greatest common factor between 25 and 10 is 5. Let's do another example. What is the greatest common factor of 16 and 32? So, once again, let's find the factors of 16 and of 32. So 16, its factors would be 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4, so it would be just 4, and that's it. Greatest common factors of 32, the factor of 32, would be 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 4 and 8, and that's it as well. So here, let's go through them. If we order them from smallest to greatest, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and here we would have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So the greatest common factor here would be 16. So basically, as you can see, the greatest common factor is the greatest factor that they both have. Now, obviously, if you have really, really big numbers, it's kind of difficult to have to list all the factors out, and it's quite time consuming. So there is a shortcut, which we will discuss in the next video. See you then!